Hi friends, welcome to Easy Cooking with Ekta. Today we are going to make a classic Delhi recipe. The name of the recipe is Chole Bhature. Chole Bhature is really famous in Delhi. So I have 1 cup of maida here, 2 tablespoons of sugar here, pinch of baking soda which is about 1 by 4th teaspoon, a tablespoon of curd and a tablespoon of rava which is suji here. So we are going to mix all of them together. I've already prepared the cholas here, so there is a separate recipe onto my channel how to prepare cholas which are exactly the same that we get in the market. You can go and check that recipe and you can see the color of these cholas is such a beautiful blackish color, and it comes because of the amla powder that we use in cholas while we are boiling the cholas. And obviously you're going to use some khada masala, the whole masalas, when we are boiling these cholas. Let's get started and prepare the dough for the bhatura. First we are going to mix everything thoroughly, so with your hands mix everything very well. So once it's done, just pour in little water at a time. You need to make a very soft dough because bhatura dough is really soft. So this is a stretchy soft dough, you can see here. Yeah, this is a closer look of the dough. Now I'm going to place this dough into a bowl. So just yeah, do this with your hands, and now this is in the bowl. Pour in some oil onto it. This would avoid the cracking of the dough and it would give you a very nice silky texture. Just use your hands, rub the oil over the dough, press it like this, and now you cover this with a cling wrap. If you don't have a cling wrap, you may use a wet towel to cover this, because you are now going to place this dough into a warm place. So when I say warm place, it could be a microwave oven where you can place this dough for about 4 hours so that the fermentation can happen. So after 4 hours, here is the dough. Fermentation has already happened. You can see the dough has risen up now. The volume of the dough it has actually doubled now, and when I try and press this, it's so soft. It has to be like this only. It has to be stretchy. So just divide this, roll the dough in between your palms, and I'm going to show you how to pull out the balls out of it. This is the motion that you need to do. And now prepare the balls. So out of this we would be preparing 4 balls from the maida mixture. These are the 4 balls. Now pour in some more oil onto it, because we are not going to use here dry flour at all. We would not be dusting our rolling pin with flour, rather we'll be using some oil here to roll out these bhaturas. And these bhaturas can be rolled out in any shape that you would want, oblong or maybe round, any shape of your own choice. I'm going to make a oblong bhatura today. So that's the motion that you need to perform evenly. Just try and roll out this bhatura without disturbing the edges of your bhatura, because if you're disturbing the edges, you'll not be able to make a perfect puffy bhatura. And done. Our bhatura is ready. We are going to stretch it using our hands as well. So this is purely optional. My oil is already hot. We are going to test this oil if it's hot or not. Just drop in a little mixture and it pops up. Now time to place in the bhatura within the hot oil, and yes, so do this. So for puffing, it's important that you pour in the oil from the sides onto the bhatura. That's really important, and this bhatura will automatically puff up. Now try and cook this bhatura from both the sides till it's golden brown, the kind of crunchiness that you would want. It would be there into your bhatura. That's how I'll prepare my rest of the bhaturas, and I'm going to place them into a serving plate with my onion salad, my cholas, because everything is ready now. And you can see the beautiful color that has come up. So here is the final plate. This is my salad. This is the chanas that I prepared. This is the bhatura. I am now going to show you the bhaturas with a closer look. Yeah, so these are very soft bhaturas, and now I'm going to pour in a little bit of green chutney onto my onion salad. So I've also prepared a video on lachha salad. You can check it. I hope you liked it. Bye bye for now.